Hey Tigers, Miss Schwartz here. I am ready to begin day 3 of our advanced reading deck and initial reading deck. So again, remember on YouTube you can slow down the video or speed it up. Let me share my screen. Hope everybody's doing good. You're getting outside, having lots of exercise. Move me down towards the bottom. Here we go. Name the letter. F. T. A. H. P. L. N. D. I. Capital I. S. Next, initial reading deck, keyword and sounds. Igloo, I. Fish, table, T. Pig, P. Leaf, O. Dog, D. Nest, N. Sock, S. Nose, Z. Apple, A. House, okay, get ready for initial spelling deck. So you need your writing utensils, or if you are using a sensory image, then I'll be showing you that today. Have a great evening.